Computer science is more geared towards software, software implementation, operating system development. There's a focus on project management as well, which it totally dovetails with the real world of software development, regardless of what type of work you do. And the requirements here at Governor State focus on that very well.
Our university courses is like a focus on more practical. We are targeting on the skill in the job market instead of a lot of like theoretical stuff. We are entering like the AI times, so everybody is like feel really interesting about what actually it is. So the computer science, which can just bring the student a really solid background of the entering into this field.
There were a lot of hands-on pieces to that were appreciated by me. I mean, I enjoyed that, but also it actually helped me substantially in the job that I have now. So
we plan to like cooperate with the like Argonne National Lab and also a lot of like industry partners, so that like we can just specifically teach some of the technical track, so the student can just specifically go to their company.
Everybody that was in the class was able to walk out with more than they came in with, regardless of their background. Okay, I can't speak highly enough about that level of expertise on the staff side. Okay, the faculty being able to bridge that gap regardless of what the background was of the students, and I was impressed.